So as a website designer, you don't have to be broke. I know a lot of website designers are actually broke and they don't know how to make money with their knowledge of website design. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how you can make money from just HTML and CSS. The reason why you have the knowledge is to actually utilize it. So after having the knowledge of HTML and CSS, it is not okay to be broke. So I'll be teaching you how you can make money with just some knowledge of HTML and CSS. Now stick to the end of this video, because by the end of this video, I'll give you 5 ways that you can use to make money from just HTML and CSS knowledge. So the one way that you can use to make money as a website designer with knowledge of HTML and CSS is freelancing. And when we say freelancing is just like working online from your home. So you can make money just from the comfort of your home using freelancing platforms. So when we say freelancing is there are two people, the buyer and the seller. So in this case, you're acting as a seller of a particular product. And what are you selling? You are selling your website design service. So on the platform, you register as a seller and you create your gig. So now one platform that render freelancing services, Fiverr, Fiverr. You can go to the website, just type Fiverr on Google, it will give you the website. Then register as a seller and you create a gig. A gig is that thing you are selling. So you just like normal real world. You sell maybe computer, you sell rice, you sell beans. So someone who needs whatever you're selling will come to you and give you money, right? So the same thing happens in freelancing world. So as a freelancer, you render a particular service, and in this case, you are rendering web design service. So you create a gig on web design. So when a buyer sees your gig, they will contact you, and obviously you must have set your price. So you set your price, your description, and many other things. So when a buyer sees your gig, he will message you and you start. If he accepts, if you guys come into an agreement, he accepts your gig, then you guys can work together. Now, on Fiverr, on all this freelancing platform, they pay in dollars. So you can be earning at least $5,000 or more every month, or $10,000 every month. It depends on how hardworking you are also. And it also depends on how good you are. You have to be very good, and you have to be truthful. You have to be honest, because relating with clients actually need you to be professional and also be timely, deliver quality jobs on time, and many more. So for you to survive on these freelancing platforms, you have to be very good, or you have to be good and also deliver on time. Don't build trust with your clients. So the first platform is Fiverr, Fiverr. So when you create your gig there, then customers or buyers will actually see your product or gig and they will message you. So that's one way that you can make money. That's one platform you can use to make money, Fiverr. The second platform is Upwork, Upwork. You can just type it on Google and to give you the website. So Upwork is just like Fiverr. You also register as a seller and set up your gig and the rest. So they also pay in dollars. The third one is freelancer, the same way. So these 3 platforms actually offer freelancing service, whereby you can create a gig and sell your web design service, and you can make a whole amount of money. If you are not interested in 9-to-5 jobs, this one is for you. They pay you handsomely well, and you can be at home and make your money. So that's the first one, freelancing. Then number two way of making money as a website designer with your knowledge of HTML and CSS. Number 2 is you can design and sell HTML and CSS templates. So templates are already made, let's say web design websites, already made websites. So if I'm to use a template, I can just get a template from, if I'm to do the website, I don't need to start from scratch. I have to just get a template. For example, I want to build an e-commerce website. I just have to get the template and edit it to my taste. I have to start building from scratch because someone has already built it, a template. So you can also do that. You can build websites using HTML and CSS. After building it, you can sell it on Team Forest. So you can sell your templates online and also make money. So that's it. So, and when you sell, you make money designing HTML and CSS templates and selling them online. Now, the third way by which you can make money with your knowledge of HTML and CSS is by teaching it to others. Now, how can you teach it? You can organize online classes, for example, Telegram classes, WhatsApp classes, and teach them HTML, teach them CSS, and you get paid. Another way is to create a YouTube channel, just as I have created. Create a YouTube channel. You can organize classes for HTML and CSS. You can start with free classes and give them free classes. Then you will have premium classes also, premium courses on HTML and CSS. So with that premium course, for your subscribers to actually benefit from that particular course, they have to pay an amount of money. So for example, you set the price as $200 or $500. So for them to have access to that particular course, they have to pay. So that's another way to make money. You teach it online. You can teach using your YouTube. You can also teach it online. For example, you can create course on Udemy and the rest. So I've given you freelancing. I've given you creating and selling templates. I've given you teaching it to others. Then the fourth one is you can look for remote jobs. You can look for remote jobs, for example, on LinkedIn. You can go to LinkedIn and look for remote jobs that you can work from. You can work online, you can work from your home. So LinkedIn is a go-to place to get remote jobs. Then the fifth method, or the fifth way you can use to make money with just your knowledge of HTML and CSS is, but before I say this, I know you have enjoyed this video thus far. Please, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and most especially leave a comment on the method you are currently using to make money with just your knowledge of HTML and CSS. What is working for you? Give us an idea. Give us your own view on it so that I can also learn from you. There are a lot of website designers that are actually broke. There are a lot of people that actually need help on how to make money with just their knowledge of HTML and CSS. So you can give us a comment. Even if you're not making money yet, leave a comment in the comment section. So what's the fifth way of making money as a website designer with your knowledge of HTML and CSS? That is, the last one is create websites for small businesses. So you can go to small businesses and tell them that you create websites, that you want to bring their websites online. You want to bring their business online to the world. That with just a website, their business can go global. People can make payments online. They can receive money online instead of just being local. Instead of it just being within the shop, they can take their business globally. And internet is here to do that. So you can create a website for them and collect money. You can meet businesses, go to them, tell them how a website can actually improve their productivity or their sales. So pitch your idea to them, and when they agree for you to create a website for them, you collect money and get paid. These are 5 good ways that you, as a website designer, with just your knowledge of HTML and CSS, you can make good amount of money every month. So if you like this video, please give it a like. Also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you won't miss out from it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, most especially subscribe, and I will see you in the